Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Shahid Ahmed, your physics teacher, and today we will discuss electric field and electric field intensity. Dear students, we know that charge is a physical quantity which produces electric field. So, like gravitational field around a mass, there is a space or region around a charge within which its electric effect can be felt by another test charge. Such region is called electric field. Here the dotted line is a spherical three-dimensional region which represent electric field around a charge plus Q. A test charge anywhere in this region will experience the electric force of the charge plus Q. If the test charge is taken positive, then the force will be repulsive and is directed away from source charge toward the test charge. And if the test charge is taken negative, then the force will be attractive, that is from test charge toward the source charge. But usually test charge is a small charge and is taken positive. Where electric field intensity is a physical quantity which specifies the strength and direction of electric field at a point in an electric field and can be defined as the force per unit positive test charge in an electric field. Mathematically, E is equal to F divided by Q dash. Take it equation number first. Here E is the electric field intensity. F is the force between the source charge Q and test charge Q dash or Q naught. Now consider a test charge Q dash, which is at a distance r within the field of the source charge plus Q. The electric force of the source charge on test charge Q dash is given by F is equal to K Q dash divided by R square. Take it equation number second. And putting this equation number second in equation number first, we get E is equal to KQ divided by R square. For free space RR, K is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. So for free space, E become 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught multiplied by Q divided by R square. And in case of any other medium, E is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught epsilon r multiplied by Q divided by R square. Here epsilon r is the relative permittivity or a dielectric constant of the given medium. In Newton form, E is equal to F divided by Q naught or E is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square R cap, where R cap is the unit vector which represent the direction of electric force or electric field intensity and is directed away from source charge Q toward the test charge Q naught or Q dash. Hence, electric force and electric field intensity have same direction. The SI unit of electric field is Newton per coulomb, which is equivalent to volt per meter. Newton for force and coulomb for charge. From the above discussion, it is clear that electric field intensity is directly proportional to the magnitude of source charge. Dear students, it should be kept in mind that here Q is the source charge That is, electric field intensity depend upon the magnitude of source charge, not on test charge. And electric field intensity is inversely proportional to the square of the distance from the source charge. That is, it obey inverse square law. That is, E is inversely proportional to R square. Thank you so much.